Well, we're about halfway through our tour, and we're driving from Salt Lake City, Utah, into Denver, Colorado, and it's pretty goddamn cold outside. And well, we got the liquor. Yeah, some good liquor right there, man. Yeah, not bad. I like it. It's not a drinking game, but it's fun. Okay, so we're trying to play something. See? Right there. I swear to God, man, Frank Marino is one of my #1 guitar players that I grew up on. When I was a little punk, a little squirt, back in the late 70s. And, my favorites were, well, my two favorites would have to be, of course, Eddie Van Halen, because, well, just fantastic. But also this dude, well, that's not him. This is what he looks like. That's Frank Marino. That's the bass player. Fucking amazing band. And, I don't know. I think we don't have any, I don't think it's going to work. Let's see if it works. I think it's because we parked at a truck stop and we're underneath the canopy of the, where you get your gas. And it's, oh, there it is! Oh, here we go! Nice! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Duh. Come on, man, stop buffering. See? That's Frank Marino. That's his, bass player. Oh, buffer. Look at the clothes, man. The outfits, man. See, they were complete psychedelic motherfuckers. That drummer is amazing. That's his brother. That's his brother playing guitar, rhythm guitar. But Frank Marino is that's him. There he is, Frank Marino, man. That motherfucker was complete acid. Look at all these people. Are you kidding me? What? Look at that concert. Tell me that isn't a fucking amazing oh, look at that. It's funny. That's because the person uploaded, recorded on VHS, and it scrambled there or something. Hello there. I'm trying to show this complete acid stuff. Look at all these people. Yeah, you can start to see the people. Man, this concert had about, I would say, almost like 100,000 motherfucking people. And that's just part of it. It's not even panning all the way around. Anyways, yeah, that's a really nice concert. There's 100,000 people there, motherfucker. Oh, we're not leaving yet, are we?
No, I gotta pull up.
Oh, because I want to have a cigarette.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go.
We have snow out there. There's some snow.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Anyways. Here he is, Funk. The master of rock and roll funk.
Styler.
And he's from Canada. Look at these motherfuckers, man. They'll fucking go for it. Okay. Well, that's really interesting. Look at that fucking... See he's chewing? What's he chewing on?
Phil. He's chewing on his own teeth. He's on so much LSD that
Yep.
he's...
Of course, it's not chewing tobacco and it's not bubble gum. Nope, he's not chewing on that shit.
He's grinding.
Yeah, he's that's the old school fucking acid. What he's doing there.
Is that Juice Free song? Grind.
Right. Yeah, that's old school. Acid. Okay. Let's see what the fuck's going on out here. We finally got to some goddamn snow. This whole tour has been disappointing on as far as snow. Going on, here we go. Let's see what this is all about. Yeah. That's a nope. No flip flops this time. I just didn't feel the flip flops this moment. But here we go. Yeah. Oh, here's some good snow. This snow has not been disturbed yet. What do you think, Disney? You can sit in there, can't you? Yeah. How deep is that snow? God damn it. Oh. It's goddamn deep snow, motherfucker. I'm dying. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's just let's put you right here. Is that better? Oh, that's not good. Maybe put you over here. Yeah, is that better? Yeah, that's better. That's not quite as cold, right? No, that's not quite as cold, motherfucker. Thanks a lot for the support. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, time for a cigarette. Wow, it's pretty goddamn cold. Shit. Just gotta get a cigarette going here. Frozen limbs. Thanks a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Okay, that's nice. Oh! You wanna throw snowballs?
I see how it is. Oh, you got it.
God damn, that's cold! That almost froze my fingers off. Well, it's pretty goddamn cold, I don't know. Yep, I used to be able to do it better, but, well, this is maybe a little bit colder, or I don't know. Maybe I didn't drink enough, I'm not sure. But goddamn. I used to be able to, like, walk in this shit with my flip-flops, but, tonight I just decided to just use my Nikes because they're just better. What do you think, Disney? Oh, well, you know, I'm freezing, motherfucker. Sorry, too bad, bitch. God damn. That's some cold ass shit, man, motherfucker. Oh. Well, let's just see what's going on right here. It's just a truck stop, and maybe we should walk in there and just see what the fuck's going on in there. What do you think? Yes, let's go inside because it's really freezing out here. Okay, let's try it. See what we can do in here. Okay, here we go. Disney, you think you need some gloves? Well, they look really nice, but I think they're too big for my hands. That's true. They're too big. Maybe they can go over your whole body or something, like a body glove. Oh, what about here? It's pretty cool. Oh my God, we are. Yeah, we're in Wyoming, right? Yes. Wyoming. Hell yeah! Oh my God, this is a perfect. Oh, it says Wyoming on it. What size is that? Large?
Medium?
Oh, that's too small. Damn. Is there any of those? God damn it. No, it's like that's too small for me because I'm too fat for that.
You want a black shirt, right?
Yeah, black one. Like a large?
All they have is medium.
Oh, that sucks.
They got a pink one.
Oh, pink. Well, yeah, that's definitely my color.
Mixed color.
Maybe they got one in the back. Yes, I think, you need a large, you fat ass. Yeah, I need a large.
Just, be semi-quick, all right?
Of course.
We're trying to beat this smell a little bit.
Okay, yeah. The hooded sweatshirts in black that say Wyoming on it, there's only a medium. Yeah, I need a large. Can you give me a large? Maybe in the back? Is it possible? I mean, I need to get one because I love, Wyoming, man. It's a really cool place, and I don't visit here that much. But it's like this one. I like this one, but it's a medium. I can't wear that because, yeah. Well, we're trying. I don't know. I gotta hurry up. But anyways, see, that's the one, man. That's fucking like the Virginian and Laramie and Cheyenne and all those amazing Western shows, man. Wyoming, that's the place. Yeah. Any luck? Nope. So, well, I'll buy this one. Okay, that's fine. I'll buy this one just as a souvenir. I can't wear it, but I'll buy it. Because I can't get nothing else. So, I'm going to buy this one anyways because that's all they have. And I could look, I don't know, maybe it'll fit me. I'm not sure. Anyways, got to hurry up because we need to drive. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, we'll turn this off.